The Honor 9 Lite. I know I'm late for this video, but better late than never, right? Honor launched this phone in the sub 15k segment to take on the segment leader Xiaomi. This is the successor to the Honor 8 Lite. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the hands-on impressions of the Honor 9 Lite. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Let's talk about the build. The first thing you will notice about the phone is how compact the phone is. It is also very lightweight at 149 grams. The back of the phone is a hell lot reflective. It is so reflective that it reminded me of the Moto X4. The sides of the phone are built from plastic. The phone feels solid and good to hold. The disadvantages of having a glass back still apply here. It attracts tons of fingerprints and it is slippery. But a thing to note here that Honor has bundled a case along with the packaging to protect the glass back of the phone, which is nice. Honor has gone with an 18:9 display with this one. It has a 5.65-inch panel with a Full HD Plus resolution, which translates to a pixel density of 428 ppi. The screen has very good brightness levels. The screen displays punchy colors and the Emotion UI lets you customize the colors on the display to a great extent. The top and bottom bezels on the phone are quite thin and offer a great look to the device. The thing we think Honor missed out on is the USB Type-C, considering this is a phone launched in 2018. Coming to the performance, the Honor 9 Lite has Kirin 659 octa-core chipset. We did not face any major lags or issues while using the device for the 2 days. It is available in two variants, one with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is priced at $10,999, and the other with the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is priced at $14,999. We'll talk about the battery in the full review. The main highlight of the phone is the quad camera. Yes, it has dual cameras both in the front and the rear. Both the front and the rear have the same combo of sensors. One is a 13 megapixel sensor and the other is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. This enables the device to have portrait mode in both front and rear. The rear camera also has face detection autofocus, which, as Honor claims, translates to ultra fast focusing. We'll talk about the cameras in depth in the full review, which should drop by soon. The phone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with Emotion UI 8.0 on top. The Emotion UI is very much like MIUI and packs in tons of features. It's good to see Android Oreo on offering here. I found the device interesting and almost comparable to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. We'll have more to talk about the device in the full review, which is dropping by soon. So that was pretty much it for the hands-on impressions of the Honor 9 Lite. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.